Good morning, Esau. We are doing a documentation on the importance of birthrights, and we like to hear your side of your story.
Of course.
My brother and I are twins. Our mother's name is Rebecca, and our father's name is Isaac. But we were fighting even in the womb. So my mom asked God why was that happening to her, and he told her that she was giving birth to two great nations and that we will be rivals. I'm the oldest, and Jacob is my younger brother. I came out very red and covered in hair. Meanwhile, Mr. Silky came out grasping my heel and hairless. One day, I came home from being in the wilderness all day, and I was extremely exhausted and hungry. Jacob had been cooking and said I could have some of his red soup if I gave him my birthright. I thought nothing of it at the time, and I swore it over to him in desperate need of eating. But then one day, Dad wasn't feeling his best, and he called me over and asked me to go hunt for some wild game for him. So off I went. But what I didn't know was, while I was out, Mom heard the whole conversation and told Jacob. See, I was Dad's favorite and Jacob was Mom's. So they came up with a plan to trick Dad into giving my blessing to Jacob. Mom went and cooked a meal for Dad while Jacob put on some of my clothes. Then Mom attached the goat skin to his arms and neck so that when Dad touched him, it would seem as if it were me. He took Dad the food and received his blessing. Then I arrived and fixed his meal and brought it to him. We both cried out loud about the trickery, and I really wanted revenge. Mom, again being super nosy, heard the plans and sent Jacob off running.
Yeah, and one day we came back together and the rest was history. Like, literally, everything was cool, you know? So, I mean, I hated him for years, though, but, you know, all is well. So, that's my part.